So Pipeline Pilot has been the premier data science platform for the pharmaceutical industry for over 2 decades. And it was introduced before data science was really a thing. A lot has happened since. Students come out of universities and join industry. They come with new skills. They are using tools like Python and Jupyter Notebook to solve data science challenges. And what we have done to accommodate that audience is that we have integrated with technologies like Python and Jupyter Notebook so that those students with those new skills can take the products of their work, their algorithms, and plug them into the Pipeline Pilot framework and automatically now deploy it to the whole enterprise. So it's an enormous productivity boost. Just code doesn't really do much for your organization. It needs to be life-cycled, it needs to be QA'd, it needs to be deployed. And Pipeline Pilot continues to be that platform that makes it really easy to take that code that might be obscure, might come from a developer, and make that available in a very standard and organized fashion to the whole enterprise.